Universal Orlando Resort invites Florida residents and locals to visit the ultimate road trip destination this spring and summer with its all-new, buy a day, get 2 days free on a 2-park, 1-day park-to-park ticket offer, allowing guests to enjoy 3 days of theme park thrills for the price of one. Starting today, guests can take advantage of this incredible offer for travel on non-consecutive days through September 29, 2023, giving them the ability to experience a full range of emotions in exhilarating rides and attractions across Universal Studios Florida and Universal Islands of Adventure throughout the road trip season. Whether guests plan 3 separate visits to the parks or a multi-day vacation, there's so much to see and do at Universal Orlando, and with this offer, Florida residents get to explore the hold-on-tight thrills and unparalleled entertainment that can only be found at the award-winning theme park destination, which include engaging in loads of diabolical fun for kids, teens and adults as part of the destination's newest attraction, Illumination's Villain Con Minion Blast, coming to Universal Studios Florida this summer. Racing alongside a ferocious Velociraptor pack at speeds up to 70 miles per hour on Jurassic World Velocicoaster, Florida's fastest and tallest launch coaster, in Universal Islands of Adventure. Entering 2 lands of groundbreaking thrills and magical fun in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Hogsmeade in Universal Islands of Adventure and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Diagon Alley in Universal Studios Florida. Embarking on a culinary journey with a wide variety of highly themed quick service and sit-down dining options that raise the bar when it comes to theme park fare and will satisfy any craving. Staying in the heart of the thrills for a staycation at one of Universal Orlando's 8 magnificent hotels with options for every travel style and budget. And so much more. The buy a day, get 2 days free on a 2-park, 1-day park-to-park ticket offer is available from $164 to $209 plus tax and can be used on non-consecutive days. Pricing is determined based on the first date selected for visit, and prices and availability vary by day. For more information about the buy a day, get 2 days free on a 2-park, 1-day park-to-park ticket offer and to purchase, visit www.universalorlando.com.